Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about routines. And routines are things that you do all the time normally, like what you do every day. So, a normal routine, say you get up, you have a shower, you brush your teeth, you eat breakfast, you get dressed, you go to work, you go home, play games, you get tired, and you go to bed. So that's fine for I and you and we and they. We use these words. So you could say, they have a shower. We have a shower. I have a shower. You could say, I brush my teeth. You brush your teeth. We brush our teeth. They brush their teeth. I eat breakfast. You get dressed. We go to school. They go home. I play games. We feel tired. We go to bed, right? So for I and you and we and they, we don't change the verb. But for he and she and it, do you remember that for he and she and it, we always have an S on the verb? So the first verb here is get up. You'd say gets up. He gets up. He has a shower. He brushes his teeth. He eats breakfast. He gets dressed. He goes to school or he goes to work. He goes home. He plays games. And he gets tired or he feels tired and he goes to bed. And for the same for she, you say she gets up, she has a shower, she brushes her teeth, she eats breakfast. So for he and she and it, all the verbs must have an S. So again, you say I wake up, you say he wakes up. You get up, she gets up. They brush their teeth, he brushes his teeth. You have a shower, she has a shower. I eat breakfast, he eats breakfast. Then you go to work, she goes to work. I have lunch, he has lunch. I go home, he goes home. You play football, he plays football. They visit family, she visits family. And they have dinner, he has dinner. I watch TV, she watches TV. You have a bath, he has a bath. We read a story, he reads a story. They go to bed, he goes to bed. Right, so let's practice. So we're going to choose the correct option. Andy, something football. Andy is he. So with he and she and it, remember there's an S. So Andy plays football. I have breakfast or I has breakfast. I have breakfast. They go to work or they goes to work. They go to work. Now a bit of a different one. We have dinner or we do dinner or we go dinner. We have dinner. Anna plays to bed or Anna has to bed or Anna goes to bed. Anna goes to bed. So if you're not sure about what it is you're going to put in there for have, do, go and play, join us for the next video where we're going to discuss this some more. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Goodbye.